Wouldn't know it just by looking at the sky cam, but yeah, it's pretty cold outside, but we get the sunshine, and everybody, even at the lake shore, the Lake Effect Band is pushed out over Lake Michigan. I'll show you where that is in just a moment, but I tell you what, any students out there are going to be glad they don't have classes this weekend because, boy, it's going to be awfully cold. Temperatures right now, yes, cold, 12 above in Grand Rapids, 13 in Kalamazoo, and they ought to stay steady right around the mid to lower teens right through the afternoon. And it wouldn't be so bad with the sunshine, but we have a persistent wind right out of the north. And look at this. Remember yesterday we had the bright oranges and yellows out there with temperatures actually warmer than the previous day? Well, I mentioned it's going to be much colder today, and it is by 20 degrees at least. That's how much colder it is right now at the noon hour. Also around there in Kalamazoo and also the Howland location. So this is a big difference compared to yesterday. A whole new air mass has moved in, compliments of, well, Canadian air mass and right from the polar regions. The wind speed right out of the north, 21 miles an hour sustained. Kalamazoo, Grand Rapids, we've had some gusts well over 30 miles an hour, and look what it does to the wind chill. The feel like rating at noon, 6 below in Grand Rapids, 5 below in Kalamazoo, and this is going to be a treat compared to what it's going to be later on Saturday. Now I want to show you this. The wind is going to die down as we head towards the evening hours and sunset, and actually even going calm in some locations. This will lead to quite a cold night out there, and eventually it'll go back up again later tomorrow afternoon with yet another clipper system heading across the area. Here's the latest on the advisories. There still is in inland areas a wind chill advisory, but we're not really meeting that. It's going to expire at 1 o'clock anyway. You can see Oceana County included in the winter weather advisory for blowing snow, some lake effect, also Berrien and Cass. Folks in Cass are probably scratching their head. Why? Because the latest on the radar shows the snow showers coming in extreme southwest Berrien County. Now, if you're traveling along 96, basically, or 196 going to Chicago, once you enter this lake effect band, it will be very heavy. But you come out of it after about 7-10 miles. Also just clipping extreme western parts of Oceana County. That's it. Everybody else gets dry weather and the sunshine. You can see that reflected here. 3 o'clock future cast. Yeah, this is just scattered out clouds for the most part as we head through the overnight. Watch the lake effect band of snow. Our wind will start shifting more southwesterly. That's going to bring this area of snow showers inland a little bit. As it does, it will die out. So I think lakeshore area, especially along US 31 in Lakeshore, we'll see a few of those before those snow showers completely die out. This is 9 o'clock in the morning. Some high thin clouds out there that will be completely overcast during the day. And you can see by 9 o'clock, I really want to point this out, snow showers will develop tomorrow afternoon. It looks like with that southwest flow from Howland over to Grand Rapids and especially north and west, we'll get some lake enhancement out of that. And I wouldn't be surprised, Friday night right into early Saturday, a good solid 3 to 6 inches of snow could fall from Howland, Grand Rapids to the north-northwest. Here's the 8-day forecast. This is a dandy. High 20 tomorrow, then into the weekend. Arctic air comes surging across the state once again. Falling temperatures. That 16 will be the morning temperature. It will fall to around 0 by sunset. And wind chill temperatures, I think, with a lot of blowing snow Saturday afternoon, will only be around 15 to 25 degrees below 0. Records on both fronts, low and a record, we call it a max min, or record low high temperature on Sunday, likely.
Can't believe that.
Yeah, I mean, these are all-time records, so, I mean, for that date. So a 24-hour period, it's never gotten colder for that date. That's what we're forecasting.
Okay, be ready for that.
Brace yourself.
Yeah. Okay, Matt, thank you. Well.